In you go. That's all it takes, according to the book. Okay, now. See that there? Denatured alcohol just breaks that silicone right down to nothing. Gets it all out of there. Shit out of there. Alright. Lifter blocks are in. Now. Oops. Let's see if they work. That's the next thing. Yeah, they're working. Timmy, come here, babe. I want you to run the... Put it in first gear and just spin the tire so I can just see how things are going here. Put your fingers. Yeah. Go ahead, spin it forward. That's it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, good. Beautiful. Okay, this one's a little stiff. Hang on, hold the stop for a second. Come around a little up top center. Go ahead, come around. Go ahead.
Hold on, it's hard to get it going.
Okay, just tap it. That's it. Oh, stop. It's okay, that's it. Okay, go ahead, spin her around a couple times. Let's see what's going on now. Okay, good. Okay, you can stop. Whoa. Stop at top dead center. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's good. Okay.
Where are my rags?
No. We're going to put the pistons on next. Oh, yeah, we should put the rags in the holes.
You drop that pin down there.
Yeah, put the rags in there.
You got them.
Stuff them in there. Stuff them in there. Stuff it in there. That's good, that's one. Do the other one. Now, alright, where's the jugs and the pistons and all of that?
In their boxes.
Alright.
You ready for the piston?
Yeah, we're going to need the piston first.
Which one are you doing first?
I think I'm going to do the rear first.